Welcome, woodworking enthusiasts and tech aficionados. We're glad you've joined us today. If you're interested in the latest advancements in woodworking technology, you've come to the right place. We're about to embark on an exploration of the most innovative tools and techniques in the industry, the likes of which will redefine the boundaries of what's possible in woodworking. From CNC wood routers to robotic woodworking assistants, we've got a lot to cover. If you enjoy our content and want to stay updated on the latest product innovations, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So, without further ado, let's dive into the exciting world of woodworking tech tools of 2024. Computer numerical control, CNC wood routers, have been around for some time, but the latest iterations are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in woodworking. With improved accuracy and speed, these machines use computer-controlled movements to carve intricate designs, patterns, and shapes into wood with unparalleled precision. Advanced software interfaces allow woodworkers to create custom designs and replicate them effortlessly, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Maintaining a clean and dust-free workshop environment is essential for both the health of woodworkers and the longevity of their tools. In 2024, smart dust collection systems are taking center stage, offering automated and intelligent solutions to keep workshops clean and safe. These systems use sensors and machine learning algorithms to detect and capture dust particles in real time, adjusting airflow and filtration levels as needed. Some models even integrate with mobile apps, allowing woodworkers to monitor and control dust collection remotely. Imagine being able to see virtual woodworking plans overlaid onto your physical workspace in real time. This is the promise of augmented reality, AR, woodworking glasses. In 2024, these high-tech glasses are becoming increasingly sophisticated, providing woodworkers with immersive visualizations, step-by-step instructions, and interactive guides right before their eyes. Whether it's measuring, cutting, or assembling, Arkansas woodworking glasses enhance accuracy and efficiency by projecting digital information directly onto the workpiece, eliminating the need for traditional paper plans and measurements. Robotic woodworking assistants are revolutionizing the way woodworkers approach repetitive and labor-intensive tasks. In 2024, these intelligent robots are capable of performing a wide range of functions, from sanding and finishing to precise joinery and assembly. Equipped with advanced sensors and algorithms, these robots can adapt to different wood species, grain patterns, and surface textures, ensuring consistent and high-quality results with minimal human intervention. With the ability to learn and improve over time, robotic woodworking assistants are becoming indispensable partners in modern woodworking workshops. As environmental sustainability becomes increasingly important in woodworking, the development of eco-friendly wood preservatives is a welcome addition to the industry. These innovative solutions offer woodworkers the ability to protect and preserve wood while minimizing environmental impact, aligning with the growing demand for sustainable practices in woodworking. This is the exciting landscape of woodworking technology in 2024, where tradition meets innovation and craftsmanship embraces the cutting edge. As woodworkers continue to embrace these advancements, the future of woodworking looks brighter than ever. We're thrilled to have you journey with us through the fascinating world of woodworking technology. Your support is what drives us to keep exploring, innovating, and sharing these insights. So if you enjoyed this video and want to stay connected with the latest in woodworking, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your interaction truly makes a difference. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.